Welcome to Kids Art Channel.
If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hey kids, draw a pineapple with its prickly outside and juicy inside. Add some leaves on top and a sweet smile. Make your pineapple look yummy and fun.
Bravo! Fabulous! Cool! Perfect! Whoa! Cool! Whoa! Bravo! Fabulous! Fantastic! Awesome! Cool! Cool!
I hope kids you enjoyed it. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.